Hello, my name is Daniel Humphrey, and I'm going to show you the filter function in Excel. So go to the top to where your headers are, and I'm going to highlight C through F. Once those are highlighted, go to the top and select Filter. Once those are filtered, you will see drop-down boxes next to each of the ones that you highlighted. Today I'm going to show you the year the calves were born in. So you will see that they were all selected. To deselect all of them, just click Select All. And today I'm going to show you all the calves that are born in 2013. So once you click that, you will see all the calves that were born in 2013. I will show you that again. So highlight these, click Filter, and click the one you want. Select all, 2013. Thank you. Have a good day.